3600kW 60Hz, used premium MAN 18V28/32H generator sets, for sale. Are you looking for a reliable power plant generator set at an unbeatable price? Today, we are offering two used premium MAN 18V28/32H diesel generator sets, manufactured by SSANGYONG in Korea. These were installed as standby emergency generators for a large enterprise in Korea. Because they served only as emergency backup units, each generator accumulated only about 2,000 to 3,000 running hours, and has been maintained to the highest standards. The MAN 28/32H engine is a proven world-class design, widely used in marine power generation and land-based power plants, for its outstanding reliability, long service life, and low operating cost. This is a rare opportunity to purchase premium quality equipment at almost half the market asking price. The units are currently stored in our warehouse in Korea and are ready for inspection. Contact us at KTS007799@gmail.com for detailed specifications and inspection.